Welcome again. And in the last video, we successfully installed the Omero server, which is active and running. And we follow this guide from the Omero server, from the Omero website. Now we will install the Omero-web interface, which is on another document in the Centos 7. And to do this, we will first create Omero-web user. Now we will create this directory and change the ownership. Okay, now we will install these prerequisites. Three of them are already installed, but we will install the Nginx. Let's run all of them together, but Nginx will need installation. Let's install this optional tool. And let's enable this service to start at boot, and let's start it. Okay, now let's create the virtual environment. Let's install this application. Let's install Omero-web now. Now it says that you need to be Omero-web user. Let's do Omero-web user. These exports must be done, so run them on the command prompt and make sure that they are set. Let's echo them, and it's set. Now let's export the path and run this command. Okay, run the next command. Now let's switch back to the root user. So exit from here and let's run this command. Okay, now run this if command from if up to this if. Run this command and enable Nginx now and start Nginx. Okay, now same as root, install white noise. Okay, it's successfully installed. Now Django Redis, it is installed. Optionally run these. So now you need to run this as Omero-web user. So let's sue into Omero-web. It's important, although it's not mentioned, to run the exports command again. Okay, otherwise the following command will not work. So let's run these export commands again. And now we can run these commands. Okay, now run this command. It's done. Now run this command. Okay, it says that Omero.web.middleware, no module named Omero-web. Okay, so the reason is that we have not exported this path. So let's export this path again. Okay, now run this command, which failed last time, and you can see that it worked. Now to test the Omero-web, let's start Omero-web, and it's working, and we can test it with this, and you see that it's serving a page, so it's working fine. Let's stop it to make it proper from root, like make this file. So let's exit from here, and let's make sure that we are in the home directly. Let's copy this content and create a file which they say omero-web. So nano omero-web-systemd dot service. Okay, let's do it with vim. So I saved it and exit, and now let's run these commands. So okay, and daemon reload, omero enable, stop, and start. Okay, and for the SE Linux, we need to run this command on the Google Cloud VM, otherwise the website will not work. So let's run. Okay, now the documentation is not saying how to access the web end. So to access the web end, we need to go to the URL of this address. So let's copy this and let's open a new tab and let's paste it. Okay, so you don't need to specify 4080. So for me, it worked on the address on port 80. Okay, so I just copied the IP, and now here the username and password is root, and the password is uh, Omero root password. I'm able to log in and I can access the admin interface, and I can create new user, check groups, statistics, and all the fun stuff. So that's how you can create the Omero server or a Miro service for your organization and have fun. Thank you for watching, and if any questions, just let me know. Bye.